Alright you guys, today we're going to check out a really cool AI plugin for Photoshop which is called Alpaca. Basically this works the same way as the other image generators. All you need to do is type here in the prompts and click on generate. Now you might say this is the same thing as the generative fill from Photoshop. You might be right there, but Adobe is using limited resources in order to generate these images. Meanwhile, Alpaca has a broad range of images and it's going to create way better results. And it also has a lot of features which are really good. In order to install this, go to alpacaml.com and you're going to need to sign up by clicking on join Alpaca. And it's going to take you to the dashboard, and here you got the button with the download plugin. Click on it, click on continue. Let's go to Creative Cloud download. It's going to pop up this window and click on open Creative Cloud desktop app. And here you got the app, click on install. I already have it installed, and make sure to restart your Photoshop and it should be here. I'm going to drag this in here when you see this blue bar. And here in the menu, we're going to explore these 6 features. So I'm going to start with the image. This is basically the classic image generator from prompts. So you're going to need to type in a prompt. I'm going to copy paste some prompts from Midjourney. And here it says select an area on the document where you wish to generate. So you can go and select the rectangle marquee tool here and select all the artboard, and now click on generate. Alright, so we get results and it's going to take me to the generations page, and here we got like 4 examples of the monkeys with headphones and sunglasses. And you can select one of these. I'm gonna go with the second one and click on import as a layer, and it's gonna show up here. So in comparison, this is made with Midjourney. As you see, Alpaca is not that advanced as Midjourney, but it's way better than the Photoshop AI. Alright, so from here we're gonna go to the sketch tab here. Okay, so if you want to recreate something as close as possible to your imagination, of course you can sketch it, but the main thing is you can import it, and you can go here to the sketch. You can type in here the prompt so the AI knows exactly what to do. So I can type in here punk, here male, fashion, and make sure to select the image and click on generate. And we got results. Now I don't like this. Let's go see the next one. But I like that it made the hair pink. I wanted to make the hair pink. This looks actually pretty nice. So let's see what we got here. So I'm gonna uncheck it and check it. So as you can see, it made the subject in the same exact shape as the sketch. You can see the nose is perfect. The eyes are at the same place. Now let's say if you want to generate more than 4 images, you can go to the tools and you got here the settings, and you can increase the images all the way to 5 actually. And you got like different settings here, sketch settings. And here we have the sketch fidelity. So if you increase it, it's going to create results as similar to the sketch. And some other important settings are here at the advanced settings. You got here the prompt strength. If you increase it, it is going to create the same exact thing as it's mentioned in the prompt. If you decrease it, it is going to create what the AI wants to create. And check this out. It also has the tileable option which creates patterns. Okay, so let's go on. Next, we got the transfer. So basically what this does is it's changing up the style of the image. So for example, if you want this image to be like a painting, then you're gonna need to type in the prompt, but unfortunately it's not giving any accurate results. So I'm just gonna go to the fill here, which is basically select an area and you fill it up, which basically works the same exact way as the generative fill from Adobe. I gotta go and select the lasso tool and select an area, for example, the body here. And I'm gonna type in t-shirt, sport, photography. I'm gonna make it red and click on generate. And here we go, here we got some sporty t-shirts. This looks actually pretty nice. I'm gonna dress her up, and there you go. All right, let's go on. Here we got the upscale. This basically helps you upscale your image by 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, or 16 times. So I'm gonna go with 2 times, click on generate, and click on open a new document. Press Ctrl 1, and this is the maximum size. The quality actually is pretty impressive, except the t-shirt. So I think it does a pretty good job as an AI upscaler. And not but least, we got the depth. Now this is basically creating depth maps for 3D softwares. I don't know what they are using the depth map for, but I gotta click on generate and show you how it looks. And here is the depth map, which looks something like this. So this is the Alpaca AI plugin for Photoshop. And this is it. Thanks for watching.